Hey Kevin, yeah, I agree with you. I would probably fire Amy as well, just because she has the um, lowest amount of years with the organization and her job skill is average. So I feel like she would be the best option of um, firing out of the people named. But Craig, I see where you're coming from there. The reason why I didn't um, fire him was because he's been with the company for so long, but I understand why you did it just based on job skill and that he is getting paid the most. So, um, also he's not really supporting anyone other than himself. So I took that into consideration as well. And like Amy, she's also not really supporting anyone other than I think she's married, but doesn't have any kids or anything like the other employees. So yeah, I agree with your choices.